Okay, as far as maintenance, we have to spray weed killer in the gravel areas. There's a lot of weeding here, a lot of hedges, a lot of perennial care. Bloodgood maple has to be trimmed. Taxus. As far as mulching goes, you got some mulch in this area. The birch tree, obviously is systemic, more mulch in that area. Looks like they've got sweet peat in the beds, but you're much better off using regular mulch because the sweet peat decomposes twice as fast as regular mulch does. Got to talk about the white pine trees on the other side that they drop their needles, and those we usually just leave there. You don't clean those up. Then you've got this area back here, which is not really visible. And this area in the back along this wall, I'd say you could even consider using wood chips to save on cost. Okay, if you don't want to use mulch. It's a pretty good sized area. You should keep a mulch cover on this area to be able to get, prevent weeds from growing and whatnot. It's pretty shady back there. So I would say only probably from this area going back, from this area going down, you really don't need mulch. You got a lot of perennials growing through here. Hostas. And you get all the needles dropping from the taxus, so that offers almost a mulch cover. And you got some mulch going through here, some mulch going around through, so this is a pretty mulched area going through these beds in here. Again, you got to add more vinca, which is this ground cover, to make it look more pristine. Then about 70% of this bed has mulch. 80% of this bed has mulch going all the way down. You can see that we need mulch cutting through here. Mulch up against the house, same problem. Actually, see if the sun moves here. Same possible problem with the endless summer hydrangeas. They don't like the afternoon sun. Not the right plant. Salvia. A lot of mulch going through here. All boxwood hedge. A lot of boxwoods in there. Mulch. Mulch around these two trees. Same thing, I wouldn't remove any of these needles back there. It doesn't make any sense. I don't think you really need to mulch. So through here, you're only gonna mulch like the first 10 feet, not all the way in the back. Doesn't make sense. Mulch going through here. Same thing, you're only gonna mulch in the front here. So let's say the first 5 feet along this edge. And this whole area gets mulch through here. Same thing, only at the border, first 5 feet. This whole area gets mulched. Along the fence get mulched, under the peonies get mulched. Gosh, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 flower pots in this area. This boxwood needs to be replaced with another green velvet boxwood. Mulch. Goes all the way back about 8 feet. It's about a foot. Another 8 feet. There's mulch all the way around the guest house. Mulch underneath this tree in the back. It's about 20 feet wide going through there. It's a thin layer of mulch. Same problem with the irrigation. It's all spraying into the plants. That's one reason you have a lot of unhealthy plants. You're not supposed to have the lawn sprinklers